pw50 throttle cable replacement. The throttle cable splits into two. Thus, there are actually three cables. One cable goes into your oil injector to adjust. Goes in here to access this area. You have to take the exhaust off, not the back part, but just the front part. Get in there. You can get a wrench on the 17mm and get yourself a little extra slack and slop and slide the cable up, out, and over. There's a slot on this side, and then you can pull it out and you can stuff the cable housing down lower to get yourself a little more play in order to get it hooked on the other side. I did not actually take the screw out right there because it pivots out of the way like that. You need the extra play in order to get the two cables lined up with the cable end. This is the 1 into 2. It has slots in it, which the two cables coming out of there slide into the back of, and it slides down the plastic piece that holds it in there. This is my other cable. My Chinese cable, it seemed to be too long. Slides down in there. Once they're in there, they can't move. So this is what I'm doing. I got all Yamaha stuff here now and trying to make it right. The problem I saw with the Chinese and the Yamaha was this adjuster here. This adjuster here is at the Yamaha. There is this generic adjuster here, I'm thinking is the problem, or just the length of the cable itself is off, because this one does seem to be longer than the other one just by having it lay there, and it just seems to be longer. It was too long, so I'm putting the Yamaha stuff back on it, trying to make it right. So I just wanted to make a video showing that.